Hello and welcome to Future IS. This is Prelims Important Mapping series where we are covering important maps for our UPSC Prelims. So in this video we'll discuss the major mountain ranges in the world and their highest peak along with their type, that they are fold mountain or they are block mountain. So first I'll tell you the basics of fold mountain and block mountains. When two plates converge with each other, they creates fold mountains. And opposite to this, when two plates are diverging from each other, they create a rift valley and block mountains. So this is the basics. Now we'll move to the map. For showing fold mountain, I have used star symbol, and to show block mountains, I have used hash symbol. So now we'll see all the major mountain ranges. We'll start from the North America. In the northernmost of the North America, here is Brooks Range, which is a fold mountain. And in the Alaska, there is Alaska Range, which is also a fold mountain range. And the highest peak of Alaska Range is Mountain McKinley. Then in the central North America, we have Rocky Mountain Range, and which is a fold mountain range. And the highest peak is Mount Elbert. And here just near to California, we have a mountain range, Sierra Nevada, which is a block mountain range. And just below the Great Lakes, there is a Appalachian mountain range, which is a fold mountain range. The highest peak of this mountain range is the Mountain Michel. Now let's move to the South America. Here we have the longest mountain range, that is Andes. The highest peak of this mountain range is Mount Aconcagua, and it is a fold mountain range. Now in Africa, we have in the southernmost of Africa the Drakensberg mountain range, which is a block mountain range, and the highest peak of this mountain range is Mountain Netliana. And the highest peak of the African continent is Mountain Kilimanjaro, which is a mountain only. It is not part of any range. It is a single mountain peak. Now in the northernmost of the Africa, we have Atlas mountain range, which is a fold mountain range, and the highest peak of this mountain range is Mount Tobical. Now let's move to the Europe. In Europe, in Germany, there is a mountain range, Vosges mountain range, which is a block mountain range. Then we have Alps mountain range here next to Italy, and it is a fold mountain range, and highest peak of this mountain range is Mountain Blanc. Between the Black Sea and Caspian Sea, we have Caucasus mountain range, and the highest peak of this mountain range is Mountain Elbrus. And the mountain range which separate the Asia and Europe is Ural mountain range, and it is a fold mountain range, and the highest peak of this mountain range is Mountain Narodania. Now in the Arabian Peninsula, let's see, there is a Zagros mountain range, which is fold mountain range. There is Elbrus mountain range, which is also fold mountain range, and the highest peak of this is Mountain Damawand. And in Afghanistan, we have Hindu Kush mountain range, a fold mountain range, and the highest peak is Trinchmir. In Pakistan, we have Suleiman mountain range, which is also a fold mountain range. Now in India, we have Himalayas, which is a fold mountain range, and highest peak is Mount Everest. And in just above the Himalayas, we have Karakoram mountain range, which is also a fold mountain range, and the highest peak is K2. And in the central India, we have Satpura mountain range and Vindhya mountain range. Both of these are block mountain range, and very soon we will make a detailed video about the all mountain ranges in India. So just for right now, we are discussing the important one. Now if we go to the Tibet plateau, just above this there is a Tian Shan mountain range, which is a fold mountain range. So in the inner Asia, where Mongolia and Russia and China meets, there is a Altai mountain range, and it is a fold mountain range, and the highest peak of this mountain range is Belukha mountain. Now in Myanmar, there is another mountain range known as Arakan Yoma, and it is also a fold mountain range, and the highest peak of this mountain range is Kennedy Peak. Now there is an important mountain range in Australia known as Great Dividing Range, and it is also a fold mountain range, and the highest peak of this mountain range is Mountain Kosciuszko. So these are the major mountain ranges in the world we have covered in this video. and there can be more mountain ranges, but these will be enough for our UPSC prelims. You can download this map through our Telegram channel. I'll upload it there and it will help you. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more such videos.